So as the topic is given to us that about the retrofitting for resilient future. So we know that many older buildings were not designed to withstand modern loads, seismic forces, or extreme environmental conditions. So retrofitting definitely enhances the structural capacity of these buildings, reducing the risk of collapse during earthquake and maybe storm or other disasters, which is very important because a city like Delhi now, which has come under seismic zone 4, so seismic zone 5, needs uh, too much of seismic retrofit for the old buildings. So this is particularly is very important for this region to which is prone to the seismic activity that retrofitting is very important, which can save millions of lives and prevent large scale destruction. So in my point of view, that instead of demolishing the old buildings, if we go for a retrofitting of old buildings by adapting new systems like we are using in this part of the country in Delhi, we are using friction dampers, we are using base isolators, and we are using at some places people are using bracings also, LRBs. So these are the measures now structure consultants has started taken on, and we are one of their medium to install all this as per their guidance, as per their recommendations in the buildings. So this is the one thing by which we can not only reduce the carbon footprint, we can give a resilient environment also, which is very important for country like India. And though year on year we are reducing our carbon footprint, and we are right now at number 3 in the world. So it is very important at this point of time that we retrofit the old buildings, not to demolish those buildings, retrofit the buildings and move forward and save the old architectural also.